guys, this is Landon with LP Outdoors again. I'm gonna let y'all know what we're about to do. I went and drug a deer leg for my dad and his dog about 25-30 minutes ago, and we're just gonna see if he could find it. Trying to get ready for the deer season coming up. So let's get to it. You coming?
Where we start at?
Start right here in this driveway.
This driveway?
No, the other.
Behind you, George. Behind you. Behind you. What are you looking at? Behind him. I wonder what he found right there. He likes it.
You got no clue.
Come here. Come on. Behind you. Hey now.
Somewhere around further. So far he's ran it to the almost exact what I ran.
Behind him.
Every dog before they do a track gotta pee or something. Hey, I didn't get back there.
Behind him.
Well, he kind of ain't doing the best. Like I said, I drugged the track way earlier, and he's still in training. So, but he'll hopefully get back on the trail. I'm at the last place I drug it right now. I have no clue why he went out there. Oh well. He'll come back. Here he comes.
Find him. Find him, Tuck. Find him. You got him stumped right here.
And I don't know how. Huh?
You got the hair?
No. When I turned the house, when I came down by the house, I turned right here, Daddy.
Come here.
I just walked right down here and that way.
Find him.
That's all I did. I don't know how I stomped him up there. Now he's on it. Again.
I have to let him approach the door.
He's on it. Don't worry. He's on the right track.
You want to go forward, but you want to go.
Exactly. He caught wind of it. It's right here on this side.
You smelled it. You don't know how to get to it. He'll find it. Good tough.
Good boy.
Good tough. Good tough.
Good boy.
Good boy.
I just simple tied.
You get another one. Good tough. Good boy, tough. Good boy, tough. Don't ever tie like that tight.
I didn't tie it that tight. Come on.
Good tough. Give it to him. He don't find it now. Good boy, tough.
Good boy. You did such a good job.
Here you go.
Come on, let's go home. Let's go. Well, guys, we're going to do another drag with the deer leg again because my dad didn't like his performance on the first track. So we just dragging it out. Deer leg for him, as always. But we put countless hours into this. So when somebody or a kid, shoots his first deer and they can't find it by the blood trail, that's what we do. We like to go find people's deer. It could be hard at times. Sometimes you wake up and like, man, I don't want to go out there and do this. But the reward's great. I like to do it. So does my dad. My dad loves it. He absolutely loves it. And I don't know why. So stay tuned. I'll get back with y'all when the track starts. Here comes the doggy. Let's see if he can find this one faster and easier. Hey, hold up, Blackjack's behind you. Hey, go find the deer.
Find him.
Go find the deer. Go find the deer. Blackjack, come here.
Is this the right way?
I went to the fence.
Alright, hold on. Where'd you start at?
I started as soon as you get in the driveway, the tall patch of grass.
Come
That's
here,
where I
Tough.
set it down at.
Come here, Tough. I just kind of started behind.
Yeah,
Where'd you start at?
where that tall patch of grass is,
Start.
right here, on the corner of this driveway over here.
Over here?
Yeah.
Alright, come here. Find him, Tough. Find him, Tough. There you go.
Now he's on it better. Blackjack. Blackjack, come here. He's on it. He's on it. Don't chase him. He's on it good. I didn't go through there though.
You just smell him.
Uh huh. He's on this. Is that on the track I took?
Find him. Find him, Tough.
I just tied it to that post right there in the corner. He's on it. He's got it.
Good job, Tough.
Good boy. Get it. Get it, boy.
Good job. Good job, Tough. Good job, Tough. Good job. Good job, Tough.
Is this what you look for? Is that what you look for?
Good job, Tough. Oh, something got him.
Stop him. Tough. Come here.
There you go.
There you go, bud.
Get him back here. Get him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your prize. He's happy with that, ain't he?
Yeah.
He did good on that one.
He did better on this one than the first one, yeah. Alright. Alright, guys.
He's still learning.
Well, we're going to get home. And then we'll sit down and talk about the dog. And I'm going to see if he can give y'all a few tips on how to do this stuff. Because he's the main trainer. So, alright guys. Stay tuned. I'll catch you at the house. Alright guys. We're back here at the house. Me and my dad. And that's actually his dog that we did the track with. And we just use him to go all over in track.
That's it.
Whatever he wants to do, we bring him and let him track. And like I said, the first time we did it, he just got a little sidetracked and just fell off the
Being a
trail,
puppy.
being a puppy. And the second track we did was way better, way better. So I'm gonna let him talk for a minute on how the dog is, how he's doing, and he might give y'all a few tips on how to do stuff.
Hey, look. Tough. He's a Catahoula cur. He's 7 months old now. I've been working with him since he's been about 6 weeks old, and he's doing really good. Landon's talking about how he fell off, and what he did, he starts running the track, and he just got a little sidetracked. Found another scent that he wasn't familiar with, and he stopped. He corrected himself. I asked him, are you sure this is where we're supposed to be? And he turned around, come back, and I brought him back to the last blood, and he figured it out. That's all part of being a puppy. But he minds well. He's doing good. He's finding. So ready to put him on some deer this year. Hopefully we got some friends out there that'll let us come and work. That's all he needs now is just a little experience. But I'm proud of him. He's doing really good.
We're gonna be using him a lot on your deer, huh?
I hope we don't have to use him none on my deer. That's yet to be seen.
Yeah. I don't use dogs. When I shoot my deer, it runs about 25 yards and falls over.
Well, we're going to use him this year whether he runs 5 yards or not. So
You guys stand and drag him off?
he's ready. I think so.
Yeah. Well, you heard it from him. He's doing good.
He's doing real good. I said the biggest thing is patience and some repetition. Just stay out there and just work with your dog. Just keep them active and keep them happy. Make it short and sweet. You don't have to be long and crazy. If they'll track 100 yards, they'll track 1,000 yards. So it's just what's in your dog. If you got one that likes to play the game, then that's all it is. And just make it a game for them. They'll do good. So.
Alright guys, well, we're going to kind of wrap up the video. It's starting to rain, so you probably ain't going to hear me that good. Well, if you're watching this video, don't matter when. If you're trying to train your dog or whatever, just leave me a comment. And I'll make a video on ways to train your dog or whatever. Or if you got a dog or deer that you've lost, leave me a comment. Tell me where you at. If it's close enough, we'll come put our dog on it. So, alright guys, just like and subscribe to the video, leave a comment like I said, and have a great day if you're watching it during the day.